Hi there, I'm Brad Gilbert, the CEO and founder of Traders for Traders. I've been trading the Forex market for 28 years, ever since I left university. 18 of those years, I worked on some of the biggest FX trading teams in the world. I completely understand the intricate details of the fundamentals and how the technicals combined give you the best trading opportunities. Our 5-day fast track course is all about transferring that knowledge and experience to you. I'm going to show you how to analyze the market fundamentally and technically using Metastock Zenith, the same news live data service that the bankers use. This is your connection to the market. It's very important you understand how to use professional trading software. I'm going to drill into the fundamentals to give you a complete understanding of where currency direction comes from. It starts with the central banks and then flows through into the economic data releases, and then we have those peripheral geopolitical issues that you need to understand the impact. We're going to show you how to manage your cash like a fund manager. Whether you're trading your own money or you come through the FX funded trading program, it's very important you understand how to leverage up, leverage down, and overall control your risk. Then we're going to put you through your paces on trade execution. It's very important you know when to trade, where to trade, and then execute without hesitation. And that's where our trading software comes into play. We're going to spend a lot of time making sure that everyone understands how to trade before they go home. By the end of the 5-day course, you're going to have a clear understanding of the market, fundamentally and technically. You're going to have a trade checklist and daily trade routine, which is going to control the process of trading and remove the emotional aspects that you may have felt in the past. You're going to be able to start trading straight away with clear focus and clear goals. If you want to learn to trade Forex properly, then don't miss this opportunity. I look forward to working with you. See you at the course.